did not sleep very good last night. I don't know why, but I just didn't. Last day driving home tonight, getting that morning coffee brewing now. Everything's packed up relatively. Oh yeah. For the most part, packed up. It's today. All right, all of my bags are packed. It is time to get out of here. So good. Oh. Cloudy day with a little bit of ambiance from the fire. I'm like carrying all my bags. Last day, I'm excited, let's go. Back at it again. Here we go. Final day. All right, it is about mid-comp, I'd say, ish. It's 11:20 right now. It's lunchtime, so break time, lunchtime. I don't even have hand sanitizer. Actually, I do. I'm in this bag over here. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna be eating my usual, like granola bars, bagels, apples, banana, things like that. And obviously, I'm gonna be watching my little YouTube going on here. So. All right, we have packed it up and I am headed home. Have a 2.5 hour drive back, and yeah, training is done for my trainee, and I don't know if I'll have any other trainees. I'm not too sure about that. I have no idea if I'm going to be training anybody else. But yeah, there's a snowstorm up in the east, the northeast, and his flight got canceled twice. So I think he might try to fly and then drive. I don't really know. Some part of me is like, I'm glad that I'm, in Florida for these reasons. Like, snow doesn't impact my job, and weather. It's just gonna be like rain and stuff, but super chill weekend though, super fun. Yeah, I'm excited to go home. I have an interview tomorrow, so I'm getting ready and prepared for that. Hopefully the interview goes well and I get hired. This is like that determining interview. So I hope that happens. And I also have some film ideas to do as well. So I'm pretty excited to get those going as well. 2.5 hours driving home, listening to music, maybe a podcast. Other than that, that's it. Onward we go. Of course, what are we in? Traffic. Always in Florida. Florida always has traffic, and there's always a car flipped over on itself in the middle of the highway, taking up 3 lanes. It's always the case. I've literally seen it so many times. Like, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous, guys. Honestly, Florida drivers, you guys honestly need to start being careful, because I'm tired of seeing flipped over cars, guys. Like, jeez. Today, we are going to drop this rental car off. I made a little oopsies, and well, I have to walk home from the rental car place. And by walk, I mean I'm going to run probably, because it'll take me probably 45 minutes to run it. It's 3.9 miles. But yeah, we have to get gas first though. But Yeah, so I made a little oopsies, and now I have to run back.
I want to talk about this. I want to talk about me. I want to. It's a selfish business bring me.
It's cold today. It's 48 degrees right now in Florida, so it should be fun. It's windy too, so it should be fun. You know, driving home. Enterprise. He goes, "Are you parked up front?" I was like, "No." He goes, he was like, "What?" I was like, "I'm walking." He goes, "You're walking?" And I was like, "Yeah." So that's what it is. We walk in. Anyways, done at the Enterprise. Let's go for a run, I guess. Sheesh. It's windy and it's right. So far, 2.4 miles at a crossroad. Look at this stick. Oh, it took me 32 minutes, 28 seconds to get back. It's 3.69 miles. And I had a pace of 8 minutes and 49 seconds. And let's see, Google Maps said that Enterprise, to walk to it would take an hour and 25 minutes, and I did it in 30. So yeah, feeling good about that. All right, I got a shower, go home, start editing all the stuff from this weekend, get ready for an interview, and then I may or may not have time to make a video that I've been really wanting to make, but I might save that for tomorrow and make another video, because like I have a whole list. Anyways, I also need a lot of water. I'm like dying to thirst. Sometimes I play with cards. These are waterproof cards from Walmart. But sometimes when I'm editing, like when I'm editing a podcast, I will edit it and like just listen to myself, but like also be doing something with my hands. Like it's just a nice fidget to do while I'm listening and editing like podcasts. So. There's always pigeons right outside my window. Always pigeons. You see that pigeon on the floor? And they hoot. They hoot every morning at like 7 a.m. They sit on top of the roof and they're like, ooh, ooh. Okay, it is 1:42. I am nervous. I have an interview at 2. This is kind of like, I don't know. This to me is kind of like the last thing. Like I'm trying to line up a job in the summer, and like I'm just trying to just get all my stuff done that I can, so that like on the back end of this year I can take the time to like travel, and also I have to get some medical procedures done, so like I need to save up for both of those things, and also just some other family stuff that's coming up as well. You know, so there's just a lot of things that you know, I need these like specific jobs for, you know, so it is what it is. You can just hope for the best, honestly, at this point, and it's what it is. It's kind of out of my control. But what is in my control is this interview, and honestly just really working it. After this interview, I'm going to just take some time, probably just reset, regenerate, and then yeah, probably just go for a walk somewhere, or just kind of watch YouTube, or just kind of disassociate for a little while, because like I've been trying for like since December to you know, get a job lined up for the summer. So yeah, I've talked to so many people, and you know, I'm really trying to, and this is kind of like the last hurrah of it, honestly. But I'm trying, and if this doesn't work, honestly, I think the universe is telling me something. So let's get these nerves out and get this interview done. The meeting went well. I got the job, but I have not signed a contract yet. But I'm going to, I think. I have to work some things out, but I got the job. That's the point of the story. I got. I got the job, and it's a leadership position. I feel at ease. Wow. It's gonna be a lot of work, but I'm excited about it. At the park. Taking a little walk, little break, little time out from reality.